Oh. Okay, game number 61. It just started from now. I'm gonna handle black today. Invade at 3-3. How is my opponent to resort? Wow, if he win 3 more games, then he can promote to 9 dan. Can you see that? Nowadays I can't check their game record. Oh, if that's not AI, then that's okay. You know, until now I lost 3 games from AI, and somebody typed a comment, just like someone complained to me that if I lose, then that should be AI, something like that. Normally, if I play Taijam, in real Taijam, I don't lose. If that's the human. Yeah, we don't have to argue for that. 주색이 Should I Tenuki? Okay, let's Tenuki first. Outside is so great, right? White can consider to play full space jumps or Tenuki. It's a good move. Then approach. If you want to improve your local fighting, I think still you need to have a lot of training of the reading practice. And even you better to keep playing the actual game, then you will have some accident, right? Then you have to review carefully. Playing the game and keep you should have some mistake like last time, and you have to review there carefully. And when you have some local fighting, then you have to try to focus more. Then you even have to have some exercise of the reading. Yeah. Hello, welcome. Coin, welcome. That's why you are stronger, don't you think? Thank you for following me. It's different. His game research you check, right? That's why his beginning is amazing. No mistake. Okay. Starting from now. It's difficult. Now what I'm drinking is water. because now here is 10:30. I drink coffee in the morning, yeah, because I have to teach, yeah. But now is, already over than 10 o'clock, so if I drink coffee, I don't think I can sleep well. Until now he's great, I think. No mistake. Tenuki, okay. Okay, alright. What I recommend is you have to review by yourself and try to search the mistake first, and then you better to search the AI. That's much better. Okay, even now he is great, Willie. Where is his mistake? No mistake until now. 어허, 트리플하네. It makes sense. What should I respond? Extend. Hello, welcome. Welcome. Thank you for following me. Oh, okay. You play so well. How is game flow now? Until now, I can't feel I am leading the game. Let's save, and trade. He is planning to throw that away. Then I have to just respond first. Keep, extend. Should I honey here? Fine, honey. And then double honey. Is he going to capture? Should be, right? No better answer than capturing here. Should he capture? Oh, welcome from England. Benedict. Hello, Benedict. Oh, such a hard game. Okay, let me try to. Not that easy.
Overtime countdown has begun.
This game is difficult, I think, really.
Overtime countdown has
F8 to cut. Yeah, definitely there is cutting. Oh, wedgie is a good move. Okay, let me respawn here first. He is exactly showing me why his result is good. Fine. Fine, fine, fine. Danger. Having capturing race, this is also very hard now. Oh, seems black is in trouble. Jump. Oh, my groove, how can I save it? I cannot find a better move than this. And dang, 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 dang. But the problem is my liberty may not be enough. Oh. How can I win this capturing race? Black is in trouble. If I lose this game, I think just he is really might be the human who I lost the first game in this series. Seems capturing race may not be that easy, isn't it? Dang, 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 dang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, 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 here. Oh, black stones are already dead. How come? How come? How come? He plays so well, Willie. Fine. Any tricky that I can use? Nothing special. Qatari here, this here. I don't think he will save this. Just let's try. I think if I can't make anything, I have to. It's time to resign. Yeah. Here exactly, I lost this fighting just now. One, two, three, four. 1, 2. Here. This. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is Katago? Can be. Who knows that? But one thing is sure, I am exactly losing. Oh, even he is very confident to cut there. Fine. Okay, I think it's time to resign the first game. He handled it perfectly, really. Who knows that he is using AI or not? Now his game research is very amazing. Just I think starting from beginning. Normally the 3 space jumps are the what AI prefer to use from here. Oh, thank you so much for joining Patreon. Oh, thank you so much, Willie. Thank you so much for joining my Patreon, Willie. And then when I approach then defensing, until now, Willie White, yeah, actually White can play perfectly. But normally where I'm just suspicious, like when I check those kind of move, yeah, it's really good move actually, because I also studied with AI many times, yeah. And then Tenoki timing, is great. And triple hane, he can play in 1 second. Anyway, even his cutting and trading timing was really even perfect. He knows the 5 stones he has to throw that away, and then now he focused to reduce here. He made it become my group very weak, right? Yeah. So now this fighting was in even trouble. And here everything was sequence was perfect. If I just Tenuki, then he can make Sente and try to handle this again. That was also not good enough for me. And if I'm checking the game quality, to be honest, a little bit, yeah, it's close to be at the AI, yeah. But yeah, of course, maybe somebody will complain to me. Then if you lose that, how can you be sure that's just AI or A-Dan? Yeah, just is my opinion. Who knows that? Yeah. Anyway, the white plays really perfectly all the area. The judgment of the double hane, because even we are thinking about such double hane at the center, actually it takes time to think. Yeah, it's not easy to think in 1 second, because that should make sense. Yeah, I think so. I think he's also AI too. Yeah. Here, yeah, this is the first move that I was a bit suspicious. Then second one is even this Kosumi is very calm. It looks nothing, but actually it's not our first feeling as well. And last one, couple times hane, because now this it seems nothing, right? But normally it's not our first move, because after cut, immediately he read there is cutting back here, and even a Atari here, and then return there is cutting as well. Yeah, so actually I don't have a good answer there. Yeah. Okay, anyway, always. Yeah, I think it's AI actually. Okay, next game is fine. I will try to search a human.